The other day I was talking about how there's a huge crash in the sneaker market, so a lot of shoes are very cheap right now. In that video I was checking out which shoes are going to be the best shoes to buy, and while I was looking I found some Yeezy 350s for a very good price, and I ended up picking it up, and today we're going to be unboxing that package. Okay, so these I ended up buying from GOAT. I know a lot of people are against that, so don't come for me. I got it for a very good price. I ended up paying about $240 after taxes and fees, which honestly isn't bad at all for a pair of Yeezy 350s. I mentioned earlier that I've been wanting these shoes since I was 14 years old. Right now I'm 19, so that's 5 years, but they're always really expensive. I never thought that they would be worth that price tag. Immediately after, I'm going to be styling them. Now I will say that since Yeezy 350s are more of a running shoe, you're not going to see any of these outfits with a single pair of pants. They're all going to be way more comfortable fits that kind of match the aesthetic of a running shoe like the Yeezy 350. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, so I was clearly excited to open these up, and I already knew that they were about to be so clean, which of course I ended up being right. These are clean. Yeah, so of course I'm definitely gonna be styling them. I was just taking it in that I finally got them. 14-year-old Aaron would be so happy right now for us. Okay, that's everything in the box. Obviously I am so excited to try these on. Okay, so now first time ever in my life trying Yeezys. These feel and look so nice. So I mean, this outfit's kind of cool as it is, to be honest. I really like this, but I think I would like it better with some lighter shorts. So let me try that. Okay, a bit better. Let me tie these up all the way. So those were already two completely different outfits. I do like it a lot better with the white shorts, like I mentioned earlier, with this brown shirt, but I am going to switch it up and put on this polo crew neck. I'm a really big fan of crew necks with a pair of shorts, so you're going to see that quite often. And again, to switch up the look completely, all we got to do is switch out the shorts to a different colored shorts. But I'm going to be bringing out this heavyweight hoodie from Ours. I'm a really big fan of the black and gray combo, and of course the Yeezys. Since they're the color white, they're literally going to go with anything. But I think because of the silhouette of the shoes, it's going to make this outfit look a lot better. Definitely more streetwear, especially if I add something like a hat. I think everything in the outfit ties together perfectly. But again, let's switch out that top piece for just a normal white t-shirt. Very simple fit, but it looks really good. This is something I would wear in the summer because I really can't wear that hoodie. So I'll mostly just be wearing t-shirts, especially this one. I'm a really big fan of. I like the graphic on the back. But again, a simple swap in a t-shirt can make a completely different outfit. So instead of a little bit of a more oversized one, we're going to be going for a regular fit. And instead of a graphic tee, it's going to be more of a logo one. This one from Ralph Lauren is one of my favorites. But let's swap out the shorts for a completely different colored one. These from Dark Sport is going to be more of a forest green color. So finally switching it up from the normal black and white that I usually wear. These forest green ones are going to be some of my favorite ones. There's just so much attention to detail on these pair of shorts, and that's why they're some of my favorites. But again, swapping out the top piece, going back to that crew neck sweatshirt with a pair of shorts combo that I really like. I'm a really big fan of these two colors combined. I think this forest green looks perfect with a black sweatshirt. Again, a bit more of a streetwear look, but to make it a little bit more streetwear, what I'm going to be doing is going to be adding a hat. Now I can definitely add a black hat, but let's be real, that's really simple. Instead, I'm going to be wearing a hat that's going to be matching the shorts. So this one from the Oakland A's is going to be the one that I chose. If you haven't noticed, because I added the hat and because I brought out the chains, it makes the outfits look a lot better. And that's why I always say that accessories really matter. But anyways, I'm going to be swapping that crew neck for a white one. So this Ralph Lauren that I picked up thrifting is going to be the one that I chose. Now you really can't see it, but it's not like a true white. It's a little bit more of a beigeish white. And because of that bright color, it makes the green shorts pop out a lot more. So I really like this outfit. Again, I really love that crew neck sweatshirt with a pair of shorts combo. It's very simple, but we are going to be switching it up, and I'm going to be throwing on a pair of joggers. Now these are a little bit more of like cargo joggers from Ours. I was a little worried, I can't lie to you, that because the joggers are a little bit more of a slim fit, that it will make a bulky pair of shoes look weird, but I was completely wrong. I really like this fit. Again, it's a simple black and white fit. It doesn't really stand out too much, but it's very simple and it looks really good. But yeah, anyways, I do gotta say that I have been liking these Yeezys so much. Yes, I did get a haircut halfway through this video, if you're wondering. But yeah, anyways, those are just a few outfits that I'm gonna be wearing with the Yeezys. I will say that When they first came out, I used to see a lot of people wear jeans with Yeezys, but now not so much anymore. Either way, I don't really like how it looks too much with a pair of jeans, but with a pair of joggers or a pair of shorts, I think they look very nice. Now, as far as the fit of the Yeezys, maybe I should have gone half a size bigger, which is usually the case with Yeezys. I've heard that before, but my true to size wasn't too bad, so I'm not really complaining. As far as comfortability, I gotta say that these have to be top 3 most comfortable shoes in my collection. Versatility is up there. The only thing is, like I said, I'm not gonna be wearing it with jeans. Any comfortable fit that I'm gonna be throwing together, probably gonna be going with the Yeezys. So versatility would probably be like an 8 out of 10, but they are definitely more versatile because they are the color white. Overall, I have no complaints, especially for the price that I paid. Not bad at all. 220 and 230, I can't even remember. Not a bad price for these shoes. Who knows, this may have just caused an addiction of Yeezy, so maybe I might pick up some new ones. One pair of Yeezys that I'm looking at in particular is the Yeezy 500s. When I was making my previous videos, I kept looking at those, so maybe I might buy those. I will say that I'm still waiting on those New Balance 550s, so as soon as I get them, I will be making a video about them. But nonetheless, I hope you did enjoy this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like. I'd really appreciate it. Let me know if you're gonna pick up any pair of Yeezys, especially during the shoe market crash. But like I said, if you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, in this channel I simplify men's fashion, so I'm gonna leave a button for you to do that right here. If you want to see more videos right away, here are a few that I think could really help you out. Anyways, other than that, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.